Well, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Business Every Day. My name is Jonathan, and today, voila, we're doing more shelves. It's a workshop upgrade that I've been meaning to do after doing my first set of shelves. I had extras, and so I'm going to do some on one side of the shop, and then I decided, hey, let's do it on the other side of the shop. For me, figuring out where I want to place the shelves is probably just as hard as figuring out what am I actually going to put on the shelves. And so this shelf will hold automotive stock material, a lot of my paints and adhesives, and it will also just free up other space in the wood side of the workshop to where I can start putting maybe tools and things that I don't use all the time over on this side of the shop. So pretty excited, and hopefully you enjoy some of the time lapse. Let's go. Well, I always find that there are two hard parts when mounting shelves. The first one is deciding where to put the darn thing, and then the second decision is how to organize it, what to put on it. So now I'm in that process, but I now have shelves on the right, I have shelves on the left. I think I will put like automotive and stock material on this side, and I think I'll put other things on that side. I don't know. Well, I gotta figure it out, but then I gotta adjust my lighting situation because it's dark on this side. It's beautiful and light on the YouTube shop side, and then on the actual other side I have totally neglected, and now we gotta do something.